Hello, YouTubers. I saw a YouTube about trending mushrooms and thought about why or how we could do this with AI. So today we're going to be using Chat GPT in order to develop a few stories for mushrooms. So Chat GPT is basically a friend, in my opinion, that helps you pretty much develop stories, develop a lot of content. So I use it to develop content. So today we're going to be developing prompts just to do AI for mushrooms. Okay, so here we go. So I said, pretty much to create, I have it create prompts or art prompts just to use in my Wombo. And so I asked it to create a prompt for mushrooms, like inspired worlds and stuff like that. And I didn't really like what it gave me, so I redid it and I had it generate 8 prompts just so I could have 8 different types of mushroom pictures. So then what I did was I copied and pasted into my notes, and then we're going to take this into my favorite AI inspired art, and it's called Wombo art. Now, this is an app that I pay for, so when I show it to you, don't be against it. It's really good. It's really good. So I took the entire number 2 and posted it from Chat GPT into my dream AI inspired art. So here we are. We're in Wombo, copy, paste. And now I use Dreamland, and these are some of the mushroom inspired pictures that they gave me. I really like this one. This is really pretty. So they gave me 4 of them because I pay for the app. And so here are the mushroom inspired worlds. So that is prompt number 2. I used it, saved all of them, and I will be having a clip art on Gumroad so that you guys can download all the mushroom pictures and, donate if you want to, if you like this tutorial for AI and Chat GPT. Here we are.